Hi Debbie Door Designers, thank you for joining us today on our new video tutorial series. I'm Debbie Door, in case we haven't met, and this is my friend Ginger helping me out today. We are focusing on my best seller. This is, if you go to the website, this is NE14. This is my best seller. It's my starter kit. I always laugh and say this is the way to start the collection. So I'm going to show you several ways so that you can see why it is the number one. I'm going to put this on Ginger as a lariat, as a necklace. It has big cable links in mixed metal. So we're going to wear it just as a long streamlined necklace, and Ginger today is wearing a pretty taupe sweater, but you can also wear this with a black evening dress and rock it that way as well. But I've also put it on with t-shirts and it's fabulous. It's a great statement piece on its own. You can also remove the talisman. A lot of my pieces have talismans on them that is an extension that actually works on any of my pieces, quite frankly. So right now I'm going to layer it with one of my shorter pieces it has 4 hammered metal beads from Africa, and it comes in silver and bronze. But if you want to change the look and give it a little bit more dimension, you can take the same talisman and put it right in the center just for a little more dramatic look. So if you're wearing something a little more conservative, you can now turn this necklace lariat into a choker. Again, the hardware is meant to be seen. There's no right or wrong with my jewelry. It has 2 clasps on it. So you have a swivel toggle, and we also have a toggle on the talisman. So we're going to clasp this and give it a little bit more. It can be an asymmetrical look. You can make it a little bit tighter like a choker, and that gives it a totally different look. Again, you can wear this with so many different looks, a casual look, a dressy look, and it still is going to give you a great statement. You can also take the talisman off and wrap this as a wrap bracelet, where it layers beautifully with cuffs or a watch or simple chains, just to kind of give it a different look. It's that soft and hard that works so well with jewelry. So thank you so much for joining us on our first video today, and I look forward to seeing you again and working with us in the future. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.